So the past few months, absolute roller coaster. Got a placement by the way from a tier 3 college. And in case anyone needs a hope today, I'm right here. And right in the middle of the chaos, I opened YouTube and went, oh my god, I have a channel and I should probably use it. Genius timing, I know. So here I am, late to my own content, but early to the story ahead. Come for the journey, stay for the plot twists. Trust me, there are plenty.
My self-esteem, to let you back in, put myself in.
Alright. I mean, who the hell just edits a video for 12 long hours, adds the transition which are the best of his potential, and promises audience to come back and give an update on its career journey and just disappear for 6 months? I did. And here I am back. I mean, who the hell gets a job in a tech company without real coding skills? I did. Before we begin with the video, I would like to welcome the new audience here. Hello, my name is Vaibhav Rana and I'm a new beginner in the tech world. I just share my views about the tech stuff on this channel and my few opinions on the certain topics mostly related to tech. And let's start with the video. So before we begin with the whole interview process or the story, I just want to give my background in the DSA. For example, first we take DSA. So in DSA, I know the basic data structure and their definition, but I was struggling with the implementation of them and finding patterns in the DSA questions. So I was not a Jedi in it, but I used to somehow, with the brute force, I used to solve the question, but that solution wasn't optimized. So coming to the development part, I just learned it from via YouTube tutorial. I just used to copy paste the whole project and the code. Why this? I didn't gain the skills, but I started to understand the basic structure of the project. Basically, I was doing it in a moon stack, so I just got an overview that front end mein we use React and CSS, HTML stuff, JavaScript. JavaScript is used in both, and back end के अंदर Node.js. मतलब एक idea लग चुका था. But I was not good कि I was able to make the whole website by my own. I needed code or ChatGPT to help me. So yeah, that was my skill set that I had previous then when I'm in the placement season. And coming to the D-Day, the interview, or you can say the placement process. So basically the first round was about the puzzle or the aptitude. The second round wasn't the DSA, it was mentioned the development. So there were 3 questions given. One was from the SQL. I didn't know SQL back then, so I just skipped that question. Second was about backend. It was mentioned that it was a backend question, but actually it was a DSA question. And when I read it, I had to just pass the test cases. So somehow with the brute force, I just passed the test cases. And coming to the third question, that was about front end, in which HTML was correct. I have to correct the CSS and the JavaScript. So in the CSS part, I have to just correct the padding and the flex. You can justify content stuff part. And in the JavaScript, I have to apply the on-click function that whenever I click on a button, it should redirect me on the given link. I was able to solve the CSS part, but JavaScript stuff, I just got confused and I was able to solve only 1.5 out of 3 questions. I just cleared the second round as well. In the third round, there wasn't much stuff. It was a directly interview with an HR. She asked me to explain any of my projects that I have worked on. So there was a donation website that we made using Moonstack, obviously, and I just explained it. It went well. I would say there was some kind of technical part, but not whole interview process was related to tech, because obviously service-based company just hire the lot. Honestly speaking, interviewer doesn't give a shit about what do you know in an interview. He is not there with a scorecard and marking that हाँ भाई इस बंदे ने 17 system design के question learn करे हैं तो ठीक है he's passed. That's not the case here. Basically, they are looking for a candidate who is curious, adaptable, and ask the question without any hesitation. Means they want a clear, communicative guy who just know a little bit of stuff and know how to ask the right question to solve any particular problem in any unexpected situations. And let me be very clear here, I'm not talking about a guy who's in from IIT, who has built a startup at the age of 21, or working as a senior software engineer position in a big tech company or MNC. This story is about me, who just starting out in the tech world and sharing his experiences. And if you are someone who can relate with my story and on the same page, let's connect. And I will share the next experiences or the changes that has happened in my life after getting the job, the new experiences. So for that, stay tuned and see you in the next one.